Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Status check. How you rolling today? Let's do a pocket dump. Yeah. And just so you can get a nice little view. Maybe. Yeah, I'm actually rocking some shorts. Blinding people with my legs. But yeah. Let's come over to the bench. Or the table. And yeah, kind of rolling light. Nice warm weather here. So I got my Ruger LCP, first generation. I think I bought mine at, I think they had a original recall on these when they first came out. I don't remember, but mine was after that. DeSante's holster, and of course gotta have extra mag. Kershaw Oh So Sweet, and cell phone, the old Galaxy S7. It's barely hanging on. And my wallet. This is made out of actual used firefighter hose from, I don't want to show my cards, but recycled firefighter. Had that thing forever. And of course, you know, some keys, key fob, basically all I need nowadays. That's how I'm rolling today, nice and light. How you rolling? Let's see those pocket dumps. Ebomey calling you out. Joey Cuz calling you out. That's two. You guys call two people out, and let's see if we can get a little chain vid going on like we used to in the old days. Why not? For fun. Boom.